Sriramulu facing a great deal of media heat and public pressure over an irresponsible claim that everything is now in God's hands. Sriramulu has now issued a clarification on Twitter over his remarks. He said that his words are being misinterpreted and misunderstood. He says what he meant was that if we fail at this crucial step, the situation will get complicated, and if things go worse, then only God can save us. This is the Health Minister of Karnataka doing some damage control and firefighting on a set of words which should never have been spoken by the Health Minister at a time when the public is looking to the government in Karnataka for strength and for purpose and support.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೇವಲ 4-5 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಜನರು ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ದೇವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಪದವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮುಲು ನಿಸ್ಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಸ್ಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ದೇವರ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ.
Nolan, it looks like, we heard what Minister Sriramulu said, and the minister, appears to be a bit of a repeat offender. The fact is, last month he participated in this totally ill-advised, Rath Yatra in Chitradurga, which we covered at the time. Now he says everything is in God's hands. Clearly, it is the heat from the media and public pressure that's causing him to indulge in this damage control now.
Well, Shiv, absolutely. If not for the pressure that the people of Karnataka as well as the media has actually put on him, he wouldn't have come about stating this. Now, Shiv, there are two things over here, because our sources in the party say, there could be a possibility he mentioned this because of the infighting that is going on. We have seen in the past how Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa had to actually enter and bring about a truce between the medical education minister and also, that is Dr. Sudhakar and Sriramulu, because both of them wanted to control the entire activities when you're talking about COVID-19 issues in Karnataka. So much so that the education minister Suresh Kumar was brought in to manage that.
Yes.
So that could be one reason, or it could be that he just does not know what is happening over here. We are told by our sources in the BJP that internally the party will be trying to figure out why he made this statement, what was the hidden agenda or the purpose behind this particular statement, showing the government in bad light.
Well, it certainly has brought adverse attention to a situation that is spiraling out of control. But let me also say that the Karnataka government had begun on the right notes. It had done very well initially and done well enough for this to be called the Karnataka model. Things were going well. Karnataka was also the government, the state that actually began to unlock the first and set an example of how to unlock safely. But a series of missteps that we've shown you here on India Today have resulted very rapidly in things actually going out of control. Something that the Chief Minister himself had warned about and predicted, and now they're completely compounded by these stray words being used by the Health Minister of Karnataka. This is certainly not going to help matters. And Nolan, the people of Bengaluru who are currently in the midst of a full lockdown once again are not going to take kindly to state ministers saying everything is in God's hands. It sends out totally the wrong signal.
Shiv, people are worried. Let's put it that way. People are plain worried in this city. Now, like we mentioned earlier, Bengaluru as of now has 17,000 active cases. But Shiv, those results, what we are seeing yesterday, what came about, is about someone or those people who got infected 10 days ago, because it takes about what? 5 odd days for the symptom to show up. Then with the testing delayed over here and the results taking about 4 to 5 and sometimes 6 days, you're looking at a person who's got infected maybe 10-11 days ago. His results are coming out 10-11 days hence. So we really do not know what's the current situation. What's the situation today? We will only know 10 days hence. This is the biggest worry, and with Sriramulu as the health minister making this particular statement, there is no confidence as of now.
Okay.
People expect the government, ministers in the government, to bring about some confidence amongst them, saying that we are here with you, do not worry, wear your mask, follow social distancing. But no, we hear these type of fatalist words, fatalist statements, people lose hope.
Nolan, thank you very much for getting us the latest.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.